cycle of a butterfly. It is an amazing journey of life. Butterflies change shape through 4 different stages during their lifetime: the egg, larva, the pupa, the adult butterfly. This process of changing shapes is called metamorphosis. Life cycle of a butterfly is an example of complete metamorphosis. A butterfly begins life as a fertilized egg. A female butterfly lays a lot of eggs, usually on leaves or stems of plants. Butterfly eggs are very tiny and may be in different shapes like spherical, oval or cylindrical. The larva or caterpillar that hatches from the egg is the second stage of the life cycle of butterfly. A caterpillar's main activity is eating. They almost never stop eating, so they can grow quickly. The first meal for most caterpillar is the eggshell, and then they eat the leaf they were born onto. The mother butterfly needs to lay her eggs on the specific type of leaf the caterpillar can eat. Before going to the third stage of life, butterflies increase their body mass over 100 times larger than its birth size. The pupa or chrysalis is the third stage of butterfly life cycle. The chrysalis hangs down from the twigs or safe area around the plant where it took birth. During this stage, the old body parts of the caterpillar go through an incredible change called metamorphosis. Inside the chrysalis, its original organs are beginning to form. In a couple of days, the butterfly is fully formed in the chrysalis. Now, the chrysalis skin starts to get thinner so the wings of butterflies can be seen. The adult butterfly is the fourth and final stage of life cycle of the butterfly. When a butterfly emerges from a chrysalis, its wings are wet and wrinkled. The butterfly hangs with its wings down and starts pumping a liquid called hemolymph to their wings so that they become big and strong. After a few hours, the butterfly becomes ready to take its first flight. At this last stage of the life cycle of a butterfly, adult female butterflies lay their eggs on some leaves and the life cycle of a butterfly begins again. Thank you.